Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zendesk Help Widget UI customization for better support step by step clearly. To activate Zendesk Help Widget UI customization, begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin panel located in the sidebar. From the admin panel, select the Channels option. Under Channels, click on Web Widget. Once in the Web Widget settings, look for the Customize Appearance section. Here, you will find different options for adjusting the widget's look. Choose a preset theme or click on Custom to create a unique design. If you select Custom, use the provided fields to input your specific color values for the header, body, and buttons. You can also upload your company logo for a personalized touch. To adjust the text, scroll down to the Text Customizations section. Here, you can modify the greetings and other messages displayed in the widget. Save your changes after completing the customization. To see your updates in action, go to your website where the widget is installed. Refresh the page to load the customized widget. Check that all changes reflect correctly as per your design choices. If you need to make any adjustments, return to the web widget settings and repeat the customization steps. Once satisfied with the appearance, ensure that the widget is active on your site. Your Zendesk Help widget is now fully customized for enhanced support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.